The future is electric, totally. Hi. Hi, Brian.
Hello,
Hello.
Catherine.
My daughter.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you again.
Yeah.
We're just here to see Guangzhou again because
Okay.
I didn't get to see a lot last time I was here, and I was so impressed. I asked my daughter, wow, would you actually like to see Guangzhou? And maybe we can visit XPENG again? And he's like, yeah, let's do that.
And I want to get this car.
Oh, yeah? You saw the Mona, right?
I showed her the cars already, and she's in love with this one.
It's beautiful.
And this one also.
Yeah, this is P7 Plus.
I know.
This is obviously we brought to the Paris Auto Show.
yeah.
People are just waiting for it.
Can I look at it?
Yeah, please. It's of course.
It's cool. There's still massage in here from earlier.
You can sit inside and feel a space.
It feels
It's
big.
almost too big. I like it. Really spacious.
Yeah.
You just continue everything to Denmark. I'm sure it will sell.
In fact, this morning, I have a friend just saw our G9 in Copenhagen, sent me a picture.
Yep, there's many G9s. Brian, when I ordered my car, the day after, I bought 1,000 stocks in XPENG.
Okay.
And I've been supplying ever since.
So we'll have to work hard, you know.
I mean it. It will bring me years on pension before.
Because this is the future, definitely.
Yeah.
Well, thank you. Thank you for all the support. I know you have been our biggest fan in Denmark.
One of them.
Yeah.
Did you remember I gave you a bottle of the...
Yeah.
And we also have a little gift for you as well from XPENG.
Yes.
Again.
You'll have fun.
I like it so far.
It's me. Hope you come back and maybe as a driver, as our customer.
If you bring the Mona to Denmark, I'll go
well,
back.
be a Mona Plus to Denmark.
Yeah, Mona Plus, yeah.
Welcome again to Guangzhou.
Yeah,
Good.
Thanks.
Let's take a tour. Here, we designed it in purpose. We don't wish the people sit on the rear has problem with the room of the head.
Yeah.
So we lift up. We goes in a very smooth curve here.
Because he's so tall.
Instead of going all the way down.
Right. So second things is actually when it's lift up, that things will make air goes further here. So it will be far distance. It's very interesting, right?
Yeah.
I get it.
Yeah.
When the wind comes down here, it just...
Yeah. And third things is that we want to create a kind of very futuristic feeling, and when it was stopped, it will light up. So you have different levels of lighting, so that make things more special, more recognizable in the street.
It looks good.
Yeah. Yes.
The more eye-catching it is, the more this is exposed, the better.
You got it. If we don't know what you like, we don't know how to design.
I know.
Yeah. We think this is very important to sit on the second row.
That is so wow.
That's the best in class zero gravity position.
Oh,
That means you can feel the very good feeling of relaxation because you hurt.
Men ligger godt.
we had a race to Holland. 48 almost different electric cars. Who will arrive first at the hotel? And I had never driven more than 500 kilometers in a day. 48 cars, we won the race in the G9 because we were the fastest charging. And the other ones going there, many of them had been doing this for years, and they didn't see me as a competitor, but I won the race. I was number one.
Cheers. Skål. And it's because they can go around the cars.
Very
and,
flexible. Our SR system can detect the scooter. So it has not only the cars, but also the scooters.
I know. But in Denmark, you have 5,000 cars and one scooter.
We have a lot of bicycles.
We have.
So do you know what's the meaning of the P7 Plus?
Nah, nope.
No?
I remember it's for Space Plus and for Technical Plus and also for Intelligence Plus.
Yeah, this is nice.
I actually, after the latest big software update with the split screen,
It's really impressive.
yeah, this is the really impressive technology that we have tried today. The designs, the inside quality of the car, the luxury feeling,
The small details.
all the small details instead of a traditional car.
I just think it's really impressive.
My car will continue to be better in the future, every day.